Artificial intelligence is a concept that feels overwhelming to many. In order to correctly understand its meaning, it's necessary to take a look at some of the concepts behind the term. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of empowering machines to think like humans. Two terms that are thrown around a lot in relation to artificial intelligence are machine learning and deep learning. So, what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Machine learning and deep learning are both applications of artificial intelligence. Machine learning analyzes large amounts of data to detect patterns and produce insights on your preferences or habits. There are three types of machine learning. First, supervised learning. Algorithms are taught using labeled data and sets out with the aim of predicting an outcome. One example of this type is the navigation app called Waze that takes in variables such as weather and traffic conditions in order to suggest the fastest route home. The second type of machine learning is unsupervised learning. It uses unlabeled data and doesn't set out with any particular aim in mind. It analyzes cluster of data points with the aim of grouping them together in relevant groups. Last but not least, reinforced learning. It is a semi-supervised learning model in a machine. Algorithms are trained to reach a given objective by trial and error. In a way, a system of rewards and punishments is used. What is deep learning? Deep learning requires high volumes of data and substantial computing power. Examples of deep learning that are currently creating a lot of buzz are driverless cars, voice control in everyday gadgets such as smart speakers and smart television sets. Where deep learning truly benefits mankind is improving worker safety by detecting people in the vicinity of potentially dangerous machinery. Key differences between deep learning and machine learning. Machine learning uses algorithms to analyze and interpret data, while deep learning layers algorithms in a neutral network that is able to make its own intelligent decisions. Machine learning models do improve over time, but require a certain degree of guidance. Deep learning algorithms don't require human input to draw correct conclusions. In a nutshell, deep learning is the next big evolution of machine learning that will enable machines to make their own decisions without a human's input. We've already reached a level of technological prowess that wouldn't have been imaginable only a couple of decades ago. So, what's coming next for the incoming years? Let's wait and see.